Hello. Thank you so much for taking the time to help me today. My name is Nirja and I'm conducting a usability study for a web application my teammate and I built for our web development course. It's called Natya Kosh. It helps a Bharatnatyam dance teacher and her students manage classes, attendance, and curriculum and fees online. Before we start, a few things. I am not testing you. There are no right or wrong answers. I am just testing the app and not your skills. If something is confusing, that's the problem with my design and not you. Please think out loud. Say whatever comes to your mind as you go. What you are looking at, what do you expect, or what confuses you. Be honest, even if it's critical. Criticism helps me improve the product. Please don't hold back. I would like to record this session so I can review it later for my coursework. Is that okay with you?
Yes, you can go ahead.
Great. We are recording now. Just to confirm on tape, are you okay with recording this session?
Yes.
And also, do you have any questions before we begin?
No, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to share the link now in the in the chat.
Okay, I'm able to see it.
Yeah.
HTTPS project 4. So should I open it?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I am opening it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that
So,
shows me the link for the Natya Kosa, signing, username, and password.
okay, great. Based on what you see, what do you think this app is for?
So it seems that some Natya course is being run by faculty, and it is supposed to help him or her to run the course.
Okay. Now, I'll give you some tasks. Please keep thinking out loud. If you get stuck, that is fine. Just tell me what you are thinking and what you would try next.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so please log in using Nirja's credentials. Take a second once you are in, and what do you think you can do from there?
Yeah,
So the
so
username is Nirja, Neraja, and the
yeah,
password
that's
is
fine.
teacher123.
So I have entered and just checking. Yeah, it shows me the password teacher123, and now I'm going to logging to the portal. Oh, great. Seems. Yes, please proceed. I am able to open it.
Okay, how effective do you think the login system was? Was it easy
Yeah, I
for
think
you?
that. Yeah, so I think that with the credentials that you passed me, it was easy for me to log into the system. Yeah.
Okay, now what do you see on this page?
Say it is with the logo of Natya Kosa, and there are four tabs are there. One is the curriculum editor. The second one that seems to be the roster manager. Third one mark attendance, and I think that last one is for the fee collection. So that is a fee dashboard, and then I am being shown as a teacher Nirja, and then there seems the logout option. And I think that for the first tab, some details are visible. Yeah, that's fair. Please go ahead.
Okay, so imagine you just taught a new step in class. How do you think effectively you can add it to this app?
So currently in a curriculum creator and editor, once I think that if I have finished the class, it shows me to create a new curriculum item. So I think that it seems that offline I can pass something to be rehearsed to the students. So So there are few tabs visible, title or a name. So I think that whatever I taught, I can enter there. Then the second one shows some uh, selection of tabs. So yeah, that's nice. That theory and text, mudra gesture, and Adao step. So that is being shown. So I can select which item type that I want to pass the material, and then there is a description. So what would be the typical length of the description in terms of words?
Okay, so here we have kept no particular limit for the characters, as the
Okay,
Bharatnatyam theory may exceed the expected text characters.
okay, that's great. Yeah, so I can adding the text here, and then it shows me the that YouTube video link URL. So in which I can create the items. Yeah, so that seems nice.
Okay. Now, suppose you are a you are a teacher and a new student is joining your 5 to 6 p.m. batch. Can you find out from where you can add or view the roster for a particular batch and add a student to it?
Yeah, so I think that roster manager should help me. So I am going with to there. Then register a new student account. So it seems that create a new student profile. So I think that that is from where I can add the student. Is that correct?
Yes.
So it is written the student will be assigned to this batch immediately and can log in using the username and the default password. Yeah, the password it is currently given student 123. So I think that after first user login, the student would be able to change the password as well. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, please go ahead. So
Yeah.
should I start creating some identity?
Yeah, sure. You may proceed.
Yeah, so I think I am adding myself only.
Okay.
Maulin uh, Joshi. Uh, so it system has created my username Maulin underscore Joshi. That's good. Now I would like to get enrolled into 5 to 6 batch. So that I have done, and now I'm trying for the registering a student. So I have clicked it, register a student. Yeah, so Maulin Joshi, yeah, that's good. So now Maulin Joshi has been added to this 5 to 6 bit. That I am able to see it. Yeah.
Okay. I can give you a few more minutes if you want to navigate through this roster manager page and try changing your batches from 5 to 6 p.m. to any other batch if you would like to do that.
Yes. So let me try with the same one. On some day I may like to attend the class on 4 to 5 also. So let me try with uh, some other student. Say for example, Mira. So I am just transferring a Mira to instead of regular 5 to 6 p.m. batch to 4 to 5 p.m. So Mira, I am now in a 4 to 5 p.m. batch, and I am trying to assign Mira. So I guess that it should transfer Mira from 5 to 6 batch to 4 to 5 p.m. batch.
Yes, you're
So I am
absolutely correct.
trying to assign. Yeah, Mira has got transferred. That's great. Good.
Okay.
So I think that similarly I can be able to switch to any student to any batches. Yeah, that's good. Good feature. I think that will help any teacher to enroll the new students, and then and upon the request will be able to manage the batch timings. That seems good. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for your positive response to this. Now, suppose that you have just finished teaching your 6 to 7 p.m. batch. Can you find out where to mark attendance for it?
Yeah, I think that third tab that is for the same meant mark attendance is there. So what I'll do that I'll select the I have enrolled myself for the 5 to 6 p.m. batch. Okay, and Suppose that I select the date, that is 14th, 14th of this, and currently by defecto the app is showing all present, so that's a good part, because say normally the students who pay the fees and are good are supposed to be present. So I'm just trying to, just to check the app, I'm just marking someone absent. So what I shall do that Tanya, and let me mark Tanya absent. Yeah, so from present now the thing has got transferred to absent registry, and saved the register entry. So I think that will help me to save the today's roster, attendance register. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so I am saving it. Okay, great. So now I can navigate to some other batches also if I want to see it. 7 to 8 batch, again some students are there, and then let me check with the 5 to 6 batch, that Tanya I had marked absent and then saved by in my registry. So it's showing me that whatever I saved is being shown as a correct place. So that's good. Yeah, I think that this system works. Good, good work.
Okay, thank you. Now, can you find out which students across all your batches still owe fees for any particular month?
Yeah, so I think available tab. So let me go there. So fee management dashboard, and then there seems to be filtered. So I think that I can go with the filtration as well. 4 to 5 batch. So that shows me the list of 4 to 5 batch, and 5 to 6 batch. So yeah, so that all have paid fees. That's good. Very regular batch. Then 6 to 7 p.m. batch, three unpaid invoices. Yeah, so that's good thing that on the right hand side that remaining students invoice count is also available. So that will make my life easier if I am a teacher. So uh, yes, Neerja. Should I try to just cross check that some of the students, suppose that pays me the fees, then can I just check that once I mark it as a paid fees, so it should go to the payment registry. Should I try it?
Yeah, sure. You may try it
So
out.
what I'm picking, yeah, I am picking randomly this Neha. So for Neha, currently July 2026 fees is said to be unpaid. Due date was 5/7/2026. So that shows me that from when this fees is unpaid, amount is $100. Now I am just currently it shows me that total six unpaid invoices, outstanding dues are 600, and collected is 2900. So I am just marking now Neha with a paid. Then are you sure? Okay. So oh great. So Neha's name has now appeared to the full payment ledger. Total expected, yeah, so 35. So unpaid now has got decreased from 6 to 5. Outstanding has reduced by $100, and fees collected also got increased. Yeah, that's great. Good. Yeah, I think that's working.
Okay, thank you for your feedback. So, I would like to give you 1 or 2 minutes more to check around and navigate through different tabs once more for this teacher's account. Then we may switch to the student role.
Okay, so let me check once again in the second iteration what I am able to do. So in a curriculum editor, so create new curriculum item, title, name, I am able to change. Then I am able to select at what all I want to share in that particular tab, what all I can do with the description, that is also included. So that's great. YouTube video link. Oh, so that will facilitate student to see the things in offline hours. Then in the right hand side, some introduction materials are being kept. So I'm just checking with that. Okay, so some things are given, some changes are there, some links are also there, and then okay, so if I want to change it, then I can delete it, and then again, as you said, that it shows me that whether it is theory, mudra, or Adao. So I think this works. Let me go through with roster again, roster management. So as you said that first name, last name, gender user, select timing, so I can enroll the students. I can see that uh, uh, who all are the registered students for the current batch. That's great. I think that is sufficient me to keep the track. Yes. Now let me go with the again marking with the attendance. Uh, I can go to someday 14th select batch for 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Yeah, so students are there. Tanya I marked absent. So that is still showing there that it is there. So that's working. Then dashboard that we last saw, fee management dashboard, and I could navigate through all four different timings uh, for all batches that what all the total fees collected, total outstanding, and total number of unpaid fees. So that's where I'm able to navigate to the outstanding due list, full payment list. Okay. And that shows your copyright symbol, Natya Sloka, the dance treasury. That's good. So I think that as far as the teacher's role is concerned, the things seem to be in the correct place. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, fair. It's a good one.
Thank you so much. So now, let's switch roles. You may log out from this teacher's account now.
So I think on the right hand side corner, the logout symbol is there. So from there, I should log out. Fair?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm trying to log out. So I'm back to this, and now I should change the role to the student. So can you pass me the credentials?
You may type the username as Riya, Riya,
RIYA Ria
and for the
and
password, you can use student123, all small letters.
student 123. Yeah, so that is I'm just checking it. Student 123. That's all. I'm trying to log into the portal now. So, okay, so in a student portal, it is open. Right hand side that shows me the student RIA. Then there are to be two tabs which are seen right now: learning area and the records. Fair? And
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Please, can you explain me this in details? How to use it?
You may personally take time for like 1 minute to navigate through the app and tell me about your smooth experience if you are able to figure out the things on your own or not.
Okay, so I am checking with the theory and text. Suppose I want to see the second one, that is history of Bharatanatyam. So I can double click it here and uh, click to collect. So that was the one way. Read full text. So that also is able to navigate me to the total learning area. The roots of Bharatanatyam date back. So fair, fair. So whatever you have narrated, that is coming. Okay, yeah. So and then origin of the Bharatanatyam, that is also available. And then relationship between Tal, Lay and Jati, and that is also I am able to navigate. Yeah. So I think that for the my learning area first step, theories and text, I am done. Yeah, that seems good.
Okay. So now I'll give you some tasks as we did for the teacher's account. So
Okay.
similar to that, I'll give you some tasks to carry out. You keep thinking out loud, and if you get stuck, that is fine. Just tell me what you're thinking and what you would try next. Shall we begin?
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
Okay. So now suppose you want to brush up on the history or theory behind Bharatnatyam before your next class. Can you find that section and tell me what you see?
Okay. History of Bharatnatyam. So if I go there, then I am able to read the text. The roots of Bharatnatyam date back over 2000 years and are closely associated with the ancient Indian uh, treatise on the performing arts and the Natya Shastra written by the sage Bharatamuni around 200 BCE to 200 CE. Yeah, so that's, I think that, yeah, that's okay. Seems fair.
Yeah, thank you. We shall move forward to the next task. Now
Yes.
suppose you forgot a mudra from a recent class was done. Can you find it out and look at the reference image or video?
Yeah, so I'm navigating to now the Mudra gallery. So in a Mudra gallery, yeah, okay, that's fine. Uh, so what is to be done that is given, and now I'm navigating to Asya Mukta Hasta. So I think that there seems some video. Should I go and play it?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
You may stop it once you feel you're good with.
I think that seems fair.
Okay.
Yeah, Nidja, that seems fair. I think
Yeah,
that I could navigate to the theories, brief summary, and then video also visible nicely. So that is plugged in with the material. Good. Yeah.
I can give you 30 seconds more. You may navigate through the last tab which is left just to check out if things are proper on that page or not, according to you.
Adau steps is the next step. So yeah. So Tatta Adau, Natta Adau, Udita Mittu Adau, Pisa Alpa Pidu. Okay, so let me check again that here also.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, I think fair. So I could navigate through all three things, theory and text, Mudra Gallery, as well as Adao steps. Fair. Yeah.
Okay, that is great. Now, can you find out whether your fees are paid or due for this month?
Okay. I think that you mean to ask me that students' own records you want to check me to see. Yeah. So records is there.
Okay.
So attendance standing, total classes that is 77, attended 68, absent numbers are also there. So okay, so
Okay,
day wise that
so you're
shows me
currently
the
checking your own attendance for this month, right? Yeah.
yes, correct. So I am able to check the attendance tracking. Then the second seems to be for the fees. So for fees, January 2026, fees paid on the 5th of January, for February on the 5th of February, and so on and so forth. So for the student has consistently paid till May, and I think that for the couple of months it is pending. Okay, so that from there student can pay now button. I think that is for the paying the fee if student fails to pay. Right?
Yes.
Okay, and
You
the
may
next
take a
step,
look and try out the buttons if you would like to.
yeah, sure, I'm trying. Pay now. Okay, so once I paid, then if the I believe that fees once paid, that will show me to this tab as well as it will get reflected at the same time to the teacher's account as well. Fair?
Yes, you are correct.
And then these are the account details, first name, last name, username. Yeah, that is the name that you gave me, Ria, to check in. And then account was created on some date. And okay, so current password. So I think that student can once the password, that is a standard password that is been given to the student, student can just enter the current password and then new password, confirming the new password. Student should be able to create the own one, so that the data security also will get maintained here. That's good. Fair.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, how about if we log out from these account and then log in again with the username that you created a while ago?
Okay, so you mean to say me that should I log in with Nirja or Ria or something else?
You may try logging it using your own username that you registered from teachers portal Molin underscore Joshi and the default password student123, and then we may try to change the password and set to the new one.
Oh, oh, great, great. So I just forgot it. Yeah, that is possible. So it is with the standard acronym Maulin underscore Joshi, and password that you told me, that is by defacto student 123. Let me just check in. Yeah, that is there. And then logging to the portal, and now I'm again back as a student. Yeah, fair. And then records. So I just marked first day as 14th only. That is today's. So it's a new record. So that is your system is working. Yeah, that's great. Because I just enrolled myself. So and first of all, one class I enrolled myself and marked the attendance. So the system is taking care from where the account is created. That's great. Very nice.
How about you check for the other tabs too?
Yeah, fees tracking. So I have not paid any fees. So I think that is there. Account details. My account is being created with some date and names, and I can change the password and so and so forth. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice.
How about you try changing the default password to a new one and then log out and then try logging it again?
Yeah, I'm trying. So my default password is student 123. Instead of that, I'm making it learner 123 and TRN learner 123. And let me just check it. Yes, so your password has been changed successfully. So yes, that is there. Password got successfully changed. So I
Would you
think the
like to
system
try it
should
out
take.
once by logging out from this?
Oh sure. So I am logging out. I am now trying to log in as Maulin underscore Joshi, and then my new password, that
You
is.
may try entering the old password first and see if it
Yeah, sure, sure.
denies you the access and then try it with the new one.
Yeah, that's correct. Student 123, and that is what student 123 I have entered, and system is saying now the incorrect password because I have changed the password. Yeah, that's correct. So now let me just check with the learner 123, which is that. Oh, great. So system adaptively has switched over to the new credentials. That's good. Yeah. The system is working nicely. Fair.
Yeah, thank you. Now you may just log out from these.
Okay.
Would you mind if I ask you some more questions about this app's usability?
Yes, 100%. Should I back to the main screen now or uh,
That's fine, we can keep it like that.
okay, fine.
Yeah, you have done a
Yes, yes, go on.
great job. Thank you so much. So, was there anything on the app that confused you or didn't work as you expected it to work?
No, I think that in this short session that whatever you demonstrated, I was able to check both first with the teacher sides what are all the features are, and that is from taking the roster to the fees collection to the sharing the material was perfectly fine. Again, when we tried to do it with the student login with the other credentials, that dashboard came up and I was able to navigate through all the required steps. Then I changed with, I think that with the password, so password also changing work. So I think that that's fair. That is like what a teacher or the app should have the all basic stuffs. Yeah, that's it. Nice one.
Yeah. And was there anything you wanted to do but could not figure out how to do it? You felt
No, I
missing
don't.
of some instructions or something?
No, I don't think so. I think that that whatever a teacher for this sort of classes is expecting is already available. For the teacher side, for the student side, the things are available. All basic stuffs are available. So I think it is fair, fair enough.
Yeah, thanks for your input. Also, what feature did you like the most?
Yeah, I think that
Oh, it seems you have
online
taken notes
material
or
on,
well,
online material because the student suppose that is not able to learn or maybe that not been able to present due to some reasons and want to see the things at the leisure after going back, so the material that you are sharing and along with the video, so I think that that will help student a lot. Yeah, that's a nice feature that I like
yeah.
the most.
Okay, thank you. And what feature did you like the least then? Or you think it needs any improvement?
Uh, One thing that, if I'm not wrong, then say when teacher tries to enter the attendance, that it is visible in the current day's attendance. But suppose that, and in the student is able to see it, that his or her daily attendance record. But suppose the teacher wants that how many students are, it is just like a attendance register, overall attendance register. So that I think you can add at some point, because say
Okay.
suppose that XYZ is a student, then on what date it is he or she is present, and then overall that how many percentage of students are able to attend the lectures and participate in the lectures. Feature, if you can add, that would be nice.
Yeah, that's a valuable feedback that we would work on it. Thank you. Also, do you mind if you can stop sharing the screen and we do the one-on-one conversation for next few
Yeah,
minutes
sure,
still? Yeah.
sure. Let me do it. I'm doing stop sharing. So yeah.
Yes. And what do you think? How does this compare to the normal offline education? And do you think it's really helpful in current scenario? This app, such kind of app?
Yeah, but these apps are really useful in a way that in offline, say, because of some time constraints, persons are not able to physically travel, so may miss the classes. But these sort of apps would help to catch up the things at a later part also. So I think that's a nice feature. So that will keep the student who are not so punctual to at least be updated at his or her leisure time.
Yes. And would you actually use this app if you were a real teacher or a student?
Yes, definitely. I would like to. Actually, it seems there are all basic features that teaching learning management sort of software should have. So yeah, so if someday this or similar apps gets developed for any sort of teaching, I would love to use it.
Thank you so much. You have been incredibly helpful. I have a quick survey with 10 statements. For each, please rate how much do you agree from 1 to 5. So the 1 is that you strongly disagree, where the 5 is you strongly agree. So it's an ascending scale. Shall I begin
Yes,
with the
please
first
go ahead.
question? Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
please go ahead.
You found the app easy to use overall?
Strongly agree. Five.
Okay. I'll be asking questions if you as you are the user and it's from your side. So I was able to navigate between the teacher and student views without difficulty.
Strongly agree. Five.
Okay. The third question is to you. The purpose of the app was clear to you right away.
Yes, five.
Suppose it is you. I found the visual design appealing and clear.
Uh, Strongly agree. Yeah, four.
Okay. Marking attendance felt straightforward.
Yeah, very nice. Five.
The next is that the login and logout process was straightforward too.
Yeah, that's fair one. Five.
Okay. I found it easy to add new curriculum content, let it be Mudra, Adav, or theory.
Yeah, so by adding it, five. Yeah, that's possible. Fair.
Okay. The fee status information due or paid was easy to understand.
Five.
Being you, I would recommend this app to a real dance teacher or student.
Definitely. Five.
Okay. And I was use this app again in the future.
100%. Yeah, five.
Okay. Um, what was your overall impression of Natya Kosh if you can briefly say in like 10 to 20 seconds?
Yeah, so I think that your developed app has two aspects, one with the teacher perspective and with the student perspective. In both the perspectives, the required tabs are there. Like for the teacher, teacher can share the lecture notes, videos if possible, and then take
Okay.
a mark of an attendance. Then that fees details modules are also
Okay.
there. So I think that is a
Yeah.
very nice aspect.
Okay.
For
So that's
student also,
everything.
student can,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. We are exceeding the time limit now. So
Oh,
thank you for your time and honest feedback. It's genuinely going to help me make this app better. And have a great rest of your day. Thank you.
yeah. Nice app developed. Keep the good work going.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks for